Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for GRE Quant. First, let's outline the essential steps for a successful preparation journey. We will cover understanding the exam structure, mastering core mathematical concepts, and implementing effective study strategies. This guide aims to help you build a strong foundation and approach the quantitative section with confidence, ultimately improving your score significantly. To truly excel, dedicate ample time to reviewing the fundamental mathematical concepts. This includes arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Utilize official GRE practice questions to familiarize yourself with the specific question formats and difficulty levels. Remember, a deep understanding of the principles behind the problems is far more valuable than simply memorizing formulas for the exam. Time management is crucial for the GRE Quant section. Practice solving problems efficiently, aiming for an average of 1 minute and 45 seconds per question. Develop strong estimation and mental math skills to quickly eliminate incorrect answer choices. Additionally, create a systematic approach for quantitative comparison questions, which make up approximately 1/3 of the section, to maximize your accuracy. Regularly taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions is essential for simulating the actual exam environment. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance to pinpoint weaknesses and areas requiring further study. Review the explanations for every question, whether you answered it correctly or incorrectly, to deepen your understanding and refine your problem-solving approaches. This iterative process is key to continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.